Puaslah saya menanam bumi, menanam bumi.
Podcast yang akan anda dengarkan adalah paparan kisah-kisah di sekitar majlis-majlis perkahwinan dan juga isu-isu kekeluargaan masyarakat Melayu di Singapura.
Sembarang persamaan yang dipaparkan di dalam podcast ini amatlah disengajakan. Kami harapkan paparan pengalaman kami ini dapat menjadi iktibar kepada semua lapisan masyarakat di Singapura.
Dengan kalimah Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, terimalah hos-hos anda, Manaf
Dan Mawi.
Jadi kita kembali bersama The Awesome Malay Couple.
Wah.
Cerita panas lah guys, cerita panas. Bukan apa.
Sejak menjak ni Abang Alif suara dah keluar balik.
Bukan
Semua
apa.
dah dengar.
Kita kalau let's say kawan dah rapat, kalau tertrigger mesti akan bentang berbual nak settle.
Actually we do not want to do all these things live, all that. Seriously.
Yeah, for what?
Kalau misal kata the thing is you dengan I ada problem. It's you and me. So you be gentleman enough, I'm a woman enough. Two of us settle. When you ada issue, when you have problem, you know how to come to me. You tahu nak cari siapa. And basically it's me and you.
Yeah.
Tak payah nak ramai-ramai. But the thing is you don't have the guts or the balls to come and see me. Just you know, it's 14 days. And now it's like what, 1 or 2 months? Or 3 months already?
I guess
Until sampai I need to come to your studio here, be invited. Until this extent.
I think for Susan if given the choice pun korang pun tak nak kecoh-kecoh sampai macam ni. Pergi lawyer, nak kena bayar duit lawyer.
I'm okay with that. Actually,
I mean, kalau diberikan peluang tak payahlah. Tak nak
payah.
settle.
Tak, bodohnya kau bayar aku punya duit 6,000 lebih tu dengan 1,200, dah settle.
Kalau tak boleh bayar selepuk pun buatlah macam mana kau arrangement ke apa.
Boleh berbualnya.
Boleh berbual. Pucuk
Kita pun tahu at the end of the day you are not rich anyway, even though your wife said that my husband is a boss, you know. None. So the thing is, at the end of the day, the wife doesn't get involved with all this thing. But after getting to know my admin, okay, this admin of mine, she want to make a report ada hoaxing ke, boxing ke, whatever shit in social media. Go ahead, because it's the fact. Okay, her name is Princess Leah, right? Princess Leah, I kenal dia masih during Bob Saget show.
Okay.
So Bob Saget show, she was admin with GM and another influencer. And then followed by Bob punya side, Bob Saget. And then I think they have some problem over there because dia kat mana-mana platform, kalau dia main quiz ke main apa, dia selalu menang. Banyak orang boring dengan dia atau mata merah dengan dia whatsoever. But she's a very hyper person. So-called she's very helpful. So-called lah. And then after that, diorang tendang dia. So she always come to Awesome Malay Couple, try to interact with me, blah blah blah. So I cakap dengan dia, since you are very free, you know, why not you become Awesome Malay Couple punya admin? Alif doesn't agree of people to know who is her. So that's why he is the one who give the name Sauda and she's staying in Muar.
Jauh siul.
So what Leah do is she have 2 phones. One phone under Awesome, one phone under her name.
Personal lah.
So banyak fan-fan kat dalam tu pun kadang-kadang bingit dengan dia pasal dia selalu menang. But it's the fact. Memang dia menang pun. Nak cakap apa kan? So on top of that, of course she got the benefit. Banyak benefit. I belikan dia barang macam-macam. And barang pun bukan murah-murah. And then after that I also tell her, okay, you come down to whatever show yang I ada. Of course definitely you come down mesti ada barang lah. The last one is Philos Furniture. She got a queen mattress. Is about like what? That mattress itself is about $450. And also she get $100 voucher lagi dekat after. I mean these are all the benefits she get.
Perks lah.
The perks. So when I kenalkan dia dengan Parazon, I told her, kita keluar malam-malam, benda-benda malam ni is negative. It's not a very good one. Okay. So I told her not to be close. You are under Awesome Malay Couple. Jangan masuk campur lain team punya hal. But she like to masuk campur. Masuk campur. So when Awesome pergi US December, so kemungkinan dia kesepian, kesorangan. She's married with her husband but no kids like me. So dia pun dah syok keluar dengan diorang. And then diorang ada problem. Admin dia yang Hana tu dengan Lia berbual-bual. I have all the recording still to today. So during that time, Ling feel that Hana ada hati dengan Ling. Pasal Hana always call Ling, blah blah blah, this and that.
Isn't that what admin should do to?
Yeah. So the thing is, he feels that way. I tak tahulah. And then Hana, he says that Hana is the one who actually get involved too much on his personal affair. Ling keluar dengan satu perempuan nama Ikin, berduaan. Then sampai Hana pergi kat kereta check, but actually Ling and the wife is on top. Blah 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 blah. So there's a lot of scandalism over there. So what happened about Kaito? The Ling always use Kaito name to keluar dengan perempuan-perempuan lain kat luar.
Okay.
I think that one I touch on a little bit.
Okay.
So that's the reason why Kaito pun macam mengamuk. Aku tengah kerja.
Kena petik nama lah.
Kau punya nama, aku punya nama dipetik bilang dengan bini kau yang kau keluar aku, pada aku tak. So this Hana go and call Kaito and find out whether kau dengan Ling Tak, aku tak dengan Ling, aku kat kerja. So Hana korek. Yang si Hana pun yang kau sibuk sangat orang punya hal tu apa pasal? So Hana go and tell Lia, my admin, about this, which I and him doesn't know anything. Sampai we went for our second US trip. On the bulan 4 baru kita find out, because something wrong somewhere. Yang kita awesome couple ni akan cakap, wah Ling, kau barang panas lah kau pendek-pendek pun orang suka kau You know, dia suka lah. Dia kingkang kan, jalan kingkang, perempuan suka aku, macam itu lah. So the thing is, that's the fact, because everything is inside my phone. Whatever Lia record Hana conversation is still inside my phone. There's nothing for me to lie. So Lia, I saja trigger Lia. Apa cerita sebenarnya? No Kak Susan, I don't get involved, blah blah blah. But if you don't get involved, why you record and pass to Ling? Si Ling pula, rumah tangga aku goyang. Bukan rumah tangga kau goyang daripada dulu sampai sekarang ke apa? Well, the thing is end up is your own story. That's not my problem.
Faham.
But my admin must not get involved with their story.
Faham.
So what happened? My admin dah forward I'm one person when come to business and work. If you can go and do that to other people, whatever in Awesome Malay Couple mencerita, kau akan record bilang-bilang. This Lia, honestly, Lia, if you're watching, kau sebenarnya nak fame aja, tapi tak kesempayan. Kau buat TikTok dengan muka kau yang gila tu, macam pork chop. Sorry to use the word. You are like a pork chop. Okay? So at the end of the day, kau tetap tak famous juga. Apa yang kau nak in social media? So kau dah dapat Parazone, lepas kau nak, what happened? She go into Parazone, she control everything. So that's the reason why Kaito dengan Alung, siapa yang Parazone ni? Dia ni siapa? So dia dengan bini yang Ling, yang bangsa bini Ling tak nak masuk campur. These two are very good because both of them are short. Also, midget. Okay, both of them, the girls are short, without sleeve. Like to wear without sleeve. Tapi cakap pasal agama. Kau pengasas, kau cakap pasal rawatan all that. But your wife is where? Your wife is not berhijab or whatever. I never see them good. But the thing is, kalau kau buat rawatan bini, kau pergi settle dulu. Kau jangan settle orang punya masalah. Kau jangan nak settle orang punya rawatan. Kau rawat bini kau dulu. Walaupun dia mualaf. So show her the path. Okay, kalau kau nak cakap pasal agama all that in your Facebook, settle your wife first. Okay, this is what I feel. So the thing is, I'm not the ustazah or whatever. But the thing is, this is basic. Okay, and on top of that, when diorang dah together, that is where they put in them in the chat room. Tu yang diorang hentak Alung dengan Kaito banyak macam-macam. Actually, the story is got nothing to do with all this. The story, it begins with Hana and Lia and Ling dengan Ikin, which they do TikTok. Ikin mabuk, gerbak-gerbu, Ling pergi hantar all that. So that starting when we was in US. So the story started from there. And then it become so big until member macam down. Dia ni Ling punya orang-orang, dia bangsa sikit-sikit down. So nak orang pujuk, nak orang duduk berbual dengan dia, then kau remove semua. Sebab Alung dengan Kaito kata, you should pay me a sum. Because you see, Parazone is a monetized page. Whatever video live, they been paid. Stars pun been paid. YouTube, TikTok, semua been paid. That is a part of sponsorship. So if I do a calculation, a simple calculation on whatever he earned with my sponsorship, the 2 years is 96,800. The thing is very simple. Sebab I'm very close with him. So there is one part he showed me how much he make. If he's really a pengasas, really a founder, he should actually show it on the table. Okay, look here, crew. This is the amount we earn. This is the merchandise we earn, blah, blah, blah. So this is funding. This is for you, for you, for you. So when the thing happened so big, until Along, actually his intention is to make both of us be together. So I invited everyone to Hari Raya to my house. So there's a group of another team paranormal, which is Wujud. Wujud is naungan kacik. So dia orang kat sofa. Rumah I rumah 3 bilik. Tak macam rumah dia orang kaya kan. So dia orang pada zone, I give the time at 3 o'clock. But they came night. Mampuslah kau kat sana. Dah jalan krep pergi dapur. All of them. So Along intention is to berbaik because he knows that we are very close and etc. And then but it doesn't
Along
works.
kira paling senior
Yeah, Along paling senior. Along is the one who actually ke depan apa-apa problem. So what happened, Along janji I at my house. He hug us lah. Dah lama tak jumpa kan. He hug both of us. Then he said, border buka, Kak Susan, saya ikut Kak Susan pergi Johor. So I pegang janji dia. Long janji border buka, kita pergi. So Along just tell them in the chat room. I saw the chat room. Yang banyak bising bininya Ling dengan Lia. Dia kita punya musuh lah, this lah, that. Tiba-tiba musuh Tiba-tiba musuh. Sebab why? When the day when Lia forward me the Hana punya voice recording, and then the next day I terminate her. I remove her from admin. Then she WhatsApp me, I faham. Then she said, just because of one mistake, you buang I. The reason why is I'm running a business, not running a circus. Okay? So if you can do this, because your previous story is, kau dah kena buang dengan GM and other influencer and Bob, it's because of your mulut. So if in Awesome Couple you do this, that's the reason why you've been kicked out. And with your character like that, I don't be surprised that sooner or later Leng also will kick you out pasal mulut kau. And for your info, Lia, your husband, don't have social media, yang pegang lampu je. Sebagai suami, jagalah isteri tu betul-betul. Jangan isteri pula jaga suami. Okay, so these are the things. Next one is we talk about, go back to the recent one. When Along came to us, his intention in the car masuk je, Kak Susan boleh ambil Kaito. Then kita like, Kaito? So Kaito pun kata okay on. So Kaito come into our car. In the perjalanan sampai ke Johor, Johor tak ada kedai banyak buka, yang baru-baru buka tu. So dia orang cakap, Kak Susan give them a chance lah, blah blah blah. Then I told Along what I feel and what happened. So I buka my phone and let Along dengar. Dah Along dengan Kaito muka dah berubah. So I cakap dengan Along, can you settle this? Along kata kalau ni dah berat dah Kak Susan. Then so that is where it started from. So when it started from, we meet up again. Then we meet up again, he tried to convince me, Kaito dengan dia. I cakap, don't get involved. Starting when I was dealing with Leng, it's me and Leng. Why now you all get involved? For what? You all tak bersalah. You all got nothing to do. It's me and him. Why you all get involved? For what? My husband don't get involved. So end up, diorang pula ada masalah tak tahu apa. Which Leng cakap because of Kaito. I saw the message. Because of Kaito, group pecah. Actually it's not. It's him. And on top of that, you been controlled by women. So the thing is, when aku ajak kau jumpa, kau tak nak jumpa, and these people cakap jangan kat telefon. And this Leng I know, he will say okay, don't pick up. At the end of the day, do you think your friends who are with you now can help you? No one will help you. They are not like us. So we go back to the ground again. After that, Along dengan Kaito cakap, Kak, kita suka benda malam-malam. What shall we do? I look at him. Aku nak buat apa, Long? Aku je rumah. Tapi kita suka keluar malam-malam. Then I told them, there's a lot of other paranormal team. then why not you join them, or maybe you open your team. Why not you become our founder? Lah, kita pula jadi founder. Mampus. Kita dah macam toy. So I cakap dengan dia, okay lah. The thing is, I got my own cara. I been mixing around with all the ustads and from MUIS, all that. So I don't like this spiritual thing. Angkat, tarik. This is I feel personally, I ikutkan, layankan je.
Okay.
Okay, I just ikutkan and layankan. I feel it's syirik. For me, it's syirik. Kau angkat jin wah, kau got that strong will to angkat jin kau angkat jin masuk kat badan. So for a normal layman, betul ke tak betul?
No.
Salah bawa.
Salah bawa. It's very open. So at the end of the day, I feel that this is something wrong somewhere. Tapi because I want to open a show and I just want to get followers, that's all.
From a business perspective.
Aspect, it's just entertainment. So I told them, okay, be in SMT is under adventure, no spiritual, benda-benda gini aku rasa syirik. Ni masa macam Hinduism already. We don't practice that.
Tak ada seru-seru semua tak ada.
Tak ada. So the only thing is SMT is a entertainment. So kalau misal kata dia orang kena sambar, kena tu is entertainment. Kalau kau rasa Alung pakai chopstick tu spiritual, kau rasa magic show lah. So in SMT, Silent Message Team is not a paranormal team.
See.
So it's just an adventure team, happy balik. And also is SMT, kita pun ada merchandise. Kita punya towel ke apa. So how much we buy, I open up with them. Okay, ni kita punya cost, ni duit untung, dah bagi semua orang.
Transparent lah.
Transparent.
Dah.
Every money in, money out.
Transparent. Saham naik, saham turun. Saham turun, semua ketawa. Saham turun. Pasal kena bayar duit Grab. You get what I mean? So these are the things. Kadang-kadang kita dapat sponsor, people sponsor us, and then kita taruh dalam kita punya fund. It's open. Sebab money is very sensitive, especially when you open a hobby team.
Yeah.
So when you open, why not you just share? Macam I buat paid event. Paid event for SMT. How much I earn, how much Facebook ambil tax, these are the money. Open. So it means leader will get certain percentage, crew, probation crew will get certain percentage, awesome get certain percentage. 2 jam dapat, 2 jam bagi.
So yang tak sikit yang tadi you cakap, tak sikit lah. Terima kasih.
Sama.
Aku nak kena scotch tape bukan mulut dia.
Pasal tak ada stand, guys.
Siapa kasi pecah?
Siapa kasi pecah?
Kau juga.
Saya ada ilmu, saya boleh kasi ni benda float. Pasal saya tak ada ilmu. Kalau dah float kena pakai yang hula hoop tu to test. Okay, yang pasal yang cakap tarik-tarik cerita pasal tarik.
Silakan.
Ada satu tempat ni Bro An sendiri, Bro Kai tu dia ada saksikan ni live dah yang dia bukan Bro An tak ada. Bro An tengok live tapi Kai tu ada time diorang ada sesi tantangan. Tapi dah bagi mereka dengan feedback kat belakang yang bilang kita dah arah dia dah lari. Pasal apa?
Akidah dia lari.
Dia keluarkan pedang Zulfikar kan? Yang pedang tu yang telah bawa peperangan oleh Nabi junjungan kami lah, Nabi Muhammad SAW. So dia time buat yang sesi tantangan tu, dia keluarkan pedang
Satu
Zulfikar.
tu abang.
Dia sampai ke situ lah.
Okay. Ya, sampai ke situ.
Ke laut tu.
Sorry aku live dah nampak bubble tea gang.
Ambil dulu. Tak apa, kita masuk.
Kasih.
Yang dua tinggi tu kita punya.
Yang gemuk punya kita punya. Ambil tu.
Itu yang dua tu kita je.
Dia tak nak masuk
Dia
dalam.
macam commercial break kejap, bubble tea.
Ya, air masuk ah.
Air masuk.
Tiba aku ingat abang
Tu duduk kan.
Abang Mac yang buat bubble tea tu banyak. Tiba. Terima kasih. Awesome Malay couple. Terima kasih banyak.
Ni
Ambil kan?
sponsor
Ambil.
Kita sponsor air bubble tea.
Situ.
Mikrofon.
East side bagus bubble tea punya kedai masih buka lagi
Bagus lah
Whale
Isai
bagus
West side dah tutup.
Lepas pukul 11 ada.
Pindah Whale
Oh.
Tak ada time tak ada.
Ada dekat kenyang
masih-
Azmi lari.
Siapa? Kurang ajar.
Siapa?
Arab.
Baru aku nak minum ni.
Sabar dia,
Arab. Kurang ajar biar Arab.
Arab.
Ni
Kau tak buat podcast
Arab neraka zen. Cuma panggil dia neraka zen.
Arab aku dari Raffles. Bukan Jurong Sec, okay?
Alright, okay, lepas ni kita nak buat closure. Okay, the summary of facts SOF. Oh, terbawa-bawa tuan kerja.
An baik-baik An. Kamera An
Tahu
depan.
An tunjuk.
Tak apa. Tak kisah.
It's okay.
Oi, sempat. Boleh type. Okay.
Wait, before we go on. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Alal. Jangan risau saya tak bawa record.
Saya tak buat live pasal
Lepas ni kita pergi U-turn
boleh. Jom boleh join.
It's okay.
Aku besok pagi nak pergi.
Besok nak kena gaut ni.
Okay. I think for the podcast part, I will include whatever summary yang Susan dah cakap tadi, because it's very good untuk to give you all an insight of what really happened. You know, kalau orang tak tahu nak tuduh-tuduh, nak tuduh-tuduh, dengar tu part, InsyaAllah you will know what's going on lah. Alright. So sekarang ni, Manap, aku rasa kita dah boleh start buka question lah
Q&A.
Boleh.
Tapi sama last tips kepada yang
ada tips
kawan baru dia, kru baru dia yang tak tahu cerita tu, kenal dia dulu lebih dalam. Jangan dengar satu pihak. Kalau nak berbual kita belakang, berbual kita semua, kru-kru ngalung semua, nak tahu cerita lebih lanjut pun boleh. Kita open. Yang kru baru-baru ni.
Yang kru baru-baru, yang yang baru tahu, yang tak tahu cerita. Kalau misal kata nak berbual, nak komen, jumpa kita one to one kalau ada peps.
Masalahnya tak, dia orang tak. Itu problemnya.
Tak, dia kena minum air macam kita lah dulu.
Dah kena lah minum air je.
Yang abah.
Seluar besar.
Suara besar dengan belangkon
Pakai belangkon. Dulu tak suka keluar malam.
But anyway, just to let you all know, touch on, in Singapore, basically you want to train someone, you want to teach someone, or you want to do anything, you basically need to be qualified and certified.
And registered lah. Kita tak apalah. So yang baru-baru kenal ni, saya nak cakap just, kalau korang rasa dia betul, terpulang. Tapi kalau korang rasa kau nak pertahankan dia, end of the day, yang akan ke depan dia seorang, korang pun tak ada kat sini.
Aku terganggu sikit sebab I just saw the list of the newest members.
Ya.
One of them, nama dia combination nama betul aku dengan nama Facebook aku lama tau. Dua-dua kat situ tau. Melekat-melekat dan spelling pun exactly the same. Bukan aku. Just put it out there, it's not me
Okay.
Takut salah faham
So basically we knows end up I think these people been used also lah.
Apa orang baru kasi orang rasa yang
nanti kau dah rasa dah kena call kita okey punya.
kita okey. Itu no problem. Nak
kau
jumpa.
dah kena baik.
Dah tu aku ya Alif ejen 247 2-3 pagi kau nak activate aku belum boleh.
You got my number, you can call me. Kita tak ada gaduh-gaduh punya lah.
Kita benda yang betul kita bilang terus terangnya, tak ada tiba-tiba. Tak ada cakap sini lain nanti bilang orang sana lain, sini lain, tak ada.
Kita suka berdepan and settle it out.
Benda yang betul.
To from a neutral point perspective aku dengan kau Mawi, we have known Susan Alif for the maybe 5 years.
Yeah, we know.
5 years, and working with them is whether it's business or personal, they are both very straightforward.
Yep.
Genuine people, suka cakap tak suka. Suka cakap suka, tak cakap.
Kita transparent. Kalau kita cakap you nya mahal, kita cakap mahal lah awak. Kalau you nya murah, kita cakap murah kita.
Kalau misalnya kata kau tak muka lelaki aku bopeng, aku pun cakap terus terang bopeng. Dia pun cakap aku hitam. Sayang Tapi kita cinta.
Tak pernah cakap you hitam sih. Cakap caramel.
Caramel
Sekarang ada brown sugar.
Tapi yang penting
kita jujur.
Tapi yang penting jangan bawa pergi West Coast McDonald belikan aiskrim. Aku ingat cerita tu.
Oh shit.
Aku ingat cerita tu.
Lalu ada pocong kat belakang nampak. Tapi apa-apa pun kita ni sebenarnya ejen rumah. Kalau kita menipu ke, kita tipu pelanggan ke, dah tu kita kena suit siang-siang.
Sekarang kita buat live, korang boleh kutuk kita.
Kita buat live hari-hari. Even kalau pelanggan-pelanggan di luar sana yang kita tipu semua, dia orang pun dah suit kita. Betul tak? Ini is a layman orang pemikiran orang.
I agree with you Manap. I guess Susan Alif very straightforward, very open, very no, korang just speak your mind. Susah datang Sebab jangan lebih baik macam ni daripada nanti depan cakap
nanti bilang ini lain, itu lain. Sampai bila kau nak macam gitu? Penat, merepek.
But the thing is, when we talk about friendship, kita ada masalah settle 2 jam.
Betul.
Jangan drag.
Lama
Jangan drag.
Okay. Itu that is one part. The other part is kalau kita ada masalah pun, the thing is to be transparent.
Yes.
Jangan depan cakap lain, belakang cakap lain. But the thing is which I don't like about friends. Example the 4 of us here. Mawi, Manap, Susan, Alif. Manap akan cakap pasal Mawi dengan Susan. Then after that Susan akan cakap pasal, you know, we
Dia cocok dia,
we use the Chinese word lancawi.
Lancawi lah.
Kita lancawi each other dengan Denny. But you all are friends. So if this kind of friend, kau buang sudah. Pasal apa? If he can talk about him, he can talk about me.
Betul.
If anyone. Orang macam gini nak kena jaga.
Nasib baik Alung tak ada kat dalam.
Dulu ada
Kalau Alung ada,
dulu sampai ada group chat dah.
dia boleh buka slide lain je.
Dengar dulu ada group chat bro.
Dia lah
Seriously?
dia buka lagi satu group chat. Banyak group chat.
So
Terus terlepas.
kalau misal kata seorang kawan tu betul-betul kawan, they will talk in front of everyone, walaupun suka ke tak suka.
Kita pernah kena lah.
Saya pun pernah kena.
Kita kena sekali lah. That was the life lesson for both of us lah.
That's the
sampai
reason
ada
why.
group chat tau.
That's the reason why the two girls, which is Ling wife and Leah, doesn't like me because I tell them this word. If you can lancawi about Hana, it means you can lancawi about me. Tu yang dia tak boleh terima.
To me,
I will talk straight.
To me, the only takeaway from all of this and from our own personal experience is that kuasa Tuhan korang jangan lawan. Sebab
Siapalah kita nak lawan takdir
sebab
Allah.
kita taking our personal the personal experience that I have encountered dengan Manap kita gitu. Ni siamba Allah ni cocok sana cocok sini. End up aku dengan dia bermusuh. Kuasa Tuhan terjumpa kat McDonald. Yang baiknya we decided to trash things out there and then. Dia cakap apa yang dia kena, aku cakap apa yang aku kena. End of the day dapat tahu yang kita dua-dua dah kena main, dah kena game.
Macam kita lah kena sekarang.
Correct.
The same
Kuasa
thing.
Tuhan.
That's the thing happen to us. You see, their group ada 6 orang. Can you just think yourself, pakai akal lah. Kenapa semua budak-budak dia hilang?
Yeah.
Why all?
Kalau satu orang buat hal,
That's
mungkin
red flag
masalah
really.
orang tu.
Yes.
Tapi kalau dah ramai-ramai semua
That
dah start
itself.
berpaling tadah.
Tak ada. Kalau I mean sorry to say tapi kalau awesome couple, Malay couple keluar, there may be some doubts. Tapi kalau the main man, your front man in frontliner Kaito Along keluar, this itself macam
Even Mar pun the main juga. Dia selalu berbual, dia pegang live, selalu berbual, orang suka suara dia.
correct.
Sebab
Dia
si
cakap-cakap
pendek
dia.
ni dia tak boleh berbual. Dia cakap apa tahu? Salam sejahtera.
Itu dulu.
Aku sengaja.
Dia script dulu.
Kau tak sedar diri kan pendek? Kau ingat?
Aku sedih lah ni episod. Pendek.
Tak, dia lagi pendek. Jangan risau Mawi.
So to close things off Kak Susan dengan Alif, maybe the four of you, what is the next step for both of you right now?
Apa harapan korang untuk settle benda ni?
Settle in court.
Okay,
Dah,
simple.
itu je.
Sekarang dah tak ada boleh berbual lagi.
There's no more.
My
no
lawyer,
more.
the
No
lawyer tell us not to talk about this thing anymore. Talk to him about this thing no more.
No more. If it's
So
going
no more interaction between
No,
you guys and Ling.
no more.
Finish. Because he already say he put the police report. Singapore got law, so we follow his style. Singapore got law.
He started first, right? So we are okay.
Okay, no
We give
problem.
him chance.
True.
Yeah, we give him chance.
So dia nak buang kita, just buang kita gitu. Okay. Then buang ada cara lah. Pasal dia pun ada cara. Singapore ada law. So kita ikut cara gitulah.
Yeah.
Ada law.
So for now, if he's going to call us, if he's going to talk, there's nothing to talk.
No, lawyer tak kasi kita berbual pun.
Tak bagi berbual dengan dia.
This is our part tau. Pasal broannya wife yang apa yang
Ada one got
itu-
nothing to do
korang
with us.
settle sendiri.
Dengan yang apa yang kita dengar kat luar, yang pasal mak dia kena, dia pun nak proceed juga. I don't know what's happened.
Okay.
Dengan satu budak perempuan. So these
Yes.
people, the surrounding us, macam Along Kaito, that is their own. Got nothing to do with us. Sebab masih you all ada when you all are happy together, all that, we was not there.
Ya.
Okay.
Korang sedap, kita tak ada apa.
Time sedap kita tak ada. So now is between me and him.
Sedap bila duit kita dah masuk kat korang, baru sedap lah korang.
Time tu hari-hari kau Swenson
We're busy tu.
Oh tu kru dia nampak. Wah dari Swenson.
Hari-hari tukar kasut.
Swenson lah. Kaita dah.
Alright, so you can, I think we are done here.
I think we ada enough lah.
Alright.
Enough.
I mean, aku dah tak tahu mana cakap.
Sekarang kita dah ada SMT.
Will you
silent
guys be
messaging.
open kalau simpulan orang tuannya diri tu nak berdepan?
Nak berdepan.
Dah lambat. Kita dah ajak time live kita.
Dah
tak
2
nak.
bulan.
Tak nak?
Tak nak.
Pun tak ada juga.
Dia yang tak nak.
Dia yang tak nak.
Tapi nak kena battle lah. Nak kena battle.
I cakap dengan you lah, I taruh 5,000 atas meja lah. Kalau dia berani, dia datang sekarang. Tak berani punya. Mana
5,000.
Mawi 5,000 aku taruh ni malam. Dia boleh datang tak in half an hour. Rumah dia dekat pun.
Betul.
5,000 aku bagi korang 1,000.
Ini air bubble tea pun dia bersengkang. Cepat dah sampai. Nampak?
Serius lah
Ni
dah sengkang.
air bubble tea.
Rivervale Mall.
Rivervale
Depan
Mall.
rumah aku.
Nampak? Dia beribu
Aku
belum
letak
sampai.
5,000 pun dia tak berani datang lah.
Si.
Arab kau nak datang buat apa Arab? Orang tak jumpa kau Arab. Kau sibuk nak datang buat apa? Arab nak
Tak,
datang.
maybe
5,000 bukan untuk kau, Rap.
tapi maybe dia tak nak jumpa sini, dia nak jumpa lebih yang law punya style lah.
No, anyway.
Pasal dia post Singapore the law.
He posts Singapore the law. But the thing is, he don't let other people comment. But his own personal page. Funny. If you really a businessman, you do whatever in your page, not your personal.
Not the personal Facebook lah.
So kau tak ada cara. Kau kira kan masih nak tutup lagi.
Understand.
Tapi ini antara awesome couple dengan dia.
Ya,
Tapi
that
antara yang An dengan
Semua-
wife dia
semua
dengan
settle
yang
lain-lain lah.
yang kat luar, yang dia nak proceed juga tau, pasal mak dia kena teruk dengan rawatan dia. Itu kita tak tahu. Dia akan proceed.
Member sampai lay down
Ah,
We have everything.
ya.
Alright, I mean I'm putting this out untuk yang punya diri. Leng, ni bukan cabaran, tapi this is an invitation untuk engkau tampil ke depan.
Untuk apa bang? Dah tak payah tampil
Tak
bang.
ada,
Untuk dorang, untuk
Okay,
dorang.
untuk kita,
Sabar.
untuk
Untuk kita.
Sabar,
Pasal abang kau nak
Untuk
perang
kita.
minyak je.
Tapi kita tak ada 5,000.
Untuk kau
Ada
tampil ke
jemput dah.
depan, untuk bersama-sama kita, untuk memberikan your side of the story. Sekali lagi aku nak tekankan, kita kat sini, our position, busy kat belakang tengah kunyah-kunyah bubble tea, aku nak berbual ni. Apa? Kita punya position is to take on a neutral perspective untuk bentangkan every parties involved punya cerita.
Correct.
Kita dah dengar daripada Alif, dah dengar daripada Susan, dah dengar
Correct.
daripada Kaito, dah dengar daripada An. I guess the only fair thing that can be done right now is, Leng, kalau kau rasa kau nak pertahankan kau punya whatever stand ataupun hak,
Correct.
if you think that it's necessary, by all means kita jemput kau untuk datang ke sini, untuk bersama-sama kita. InsyaAllah minggu depan kalau kau boleh,
Ya. PM kita je lah.
PM kita.
I think it's
InsyaAllah.
only fair also to listen the other side juga.
Ya,
Betul-betul.
ya,
Mungkin
it's very
orang-orang
fair.
mungkin orang-orang yang terlibat yang mana nama-nama mereka dah dikeluarkan.
You should come. You should come.
No.
Ya, Princess
Let-
Lia, Triza, Leng. All of you come.
Ini cerita makan 16 episod so tak habis-habis.
Kalau ada buah, ada pep, turun lah berbual dengan Manak Mawi, baru ada cara bro.
Dah dia nak bawa kat court je lah yang.
Tak.
Law,
Dia
siapa
orang
ada law?
cara baik. Kita takkan kacau dia orang punya show.
No, I
Kita
think
gentleman.
Tak, bukan tak kacau. Kalau buat, make sure jangan kat platform dia lah. Platform you all, pasal it's open
Betul.
to everyone.
It's
Comment.
your platform.
Betul.
Jangan
Kita
pakai
pun-
platform dia.
So kita pun boleh komen. Pasal platform dia, kita semua tak boleh komen.
Dia block kita. Dia block.
So we as mediator, kita
Yes.
as orang pertengahan.
Yes.
So we open this platform for everyone yang involved. Kalau nak you want to stand your ground, you want to explain your side of story. Do come PM kita, DM kita kat kita punya social media. InsyaAllah kita akan
Jangan salah faham.
Jangan
Ni
salah
bukan,
faham.
ni bukan kita
No.
take advantage of the
Bukan
situation
dia orang
kita
nak judge you
Yeah.
all lah.
Tak.
No, anyway bukan
Yeah.
kita nak take advantage situation, kita nak content,
No,
nak kerja
no.
content, no. I guess kita small community Melayu Islam kat Singapore ni, kalau mungkin dengan cara ni dapat kita sedikit sebanyak betulkan keadaan ke apa, you know.
Every awesome couple will never, because it's really too late.
Correct.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, kita don't want people, tak nak orang anggap kita ni nanti one sided.
Ya.
Kita kat sini
Atau api-apikan lah.
api-apikan.
Ataupun take advantage.
Leng, kau
advantage.
kau jangan ingat dia orang side aku tau.
So,
Kau turun lah.
So we
Dengan apa? Dia beli, diorang belikan kita bubble tea apa, terus kita ping dengan orang.
Kau ingat apa kita bagi rasuah apa? Kita tak macam gitu.
Walaupun kita kenal siapa? Mawi Mawi Manak.
Tengok, kenal
Dah
pun
5
tidak.
tahun.
Kenal pun tidak
Saya
ni.
tahu nama betul dia.
Jangan. Walaupun dia dah pecahkan mikrofon aku,
minum
aku tak apa-apa.
minum bubble tea dah tekan kunci lah.
Ni aku dah hamzir dah. Aku dah hamzir.
Kena baca-baca.
Anyways, terima kasih sekali lagi kepada Susan, Alif, Kaito dan juga An untuk bersama dengan kami hari ini. We appreciate whatever you have shared with us. Kita harapkan, at the end of the day, like we said, you guys get closure, dapat tutup masalah ini. Dan kita memang harapkan sikit sebanyak kalau boleh silaturahim tu jangan diputuskan antara satu sama lain.
Actually that was what we want.
Yes. At the end of the day, that's what we want. At the end of the day, that's what the group is for.
Yeah.
Untuk eratkan silaturahim.
Kita ada trigger. So trigger dia terus buang kita terus. Kita
Yeah.
tak trigger lah dalam
But
hidup.
anyway, on the floor ada siapa-siapa nak tanya question.
Okay, question.
Yeah, we could close our podcast first. Kita tutup kita punya podcast dulu. Tapi live di Facebook dan juga YouTube masih on. Jadi korang ada apa-apa soalan, this is the time now, tujukan bersama. Kalau nak yang mana kenal aku ni, sekarang aku dah ada 2 WhatsApp tanya. Ada orang WhatsApp tanya. So itu saja daripada kami berdua. Terima kasih sekali lagi kepada kumpulan SMT yang baru saja ditubuhkan. Susan, thank you so much. Alif sekali lagi, Kaito dan juga Bro An, terima kasih banyak-banyak.
Tangan tak mau gerak-gerak.
Tak ada, excited. Okey, sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Saya Manap.
Oh, dah Assalamualaikum.
Dah, tutup.
Saya Mahwi. Tak agak-agak kami closing.
Jack